Hey there, welcome to Twistology Cubing. Today we're going to be looking at two very simple puzzles. The 1x2x2 and the 1x2x3 cubes. Now these are not Rubik's brand puzzles, but they are very good quality. We'll start with the simpler, the 1x2x2. Now this cube is so simple it's hard to scramble. There are only three possible scrambled states. If you have two bars and some of the edges are solved, turn it with the groove and it'll solve it. If you have the bars on the faces, yet all the edges are unsolved, turn it once against the groove, and then with the groove. And lastly, if the two faces are solved, yet all the edges are unsolved, then turn it once any direction, then turn it against the groove, then with the groove. And that should solve your 1x2x2. The 1x2x2 has 6 possible combinations, and the 1x2x3 has 48. Now this may seem like a lot, but compared to 3x3, which has 43 quintillion possible combinations, that's not very many. So once scrambled, you can go about solving it two ways. One, just start matching colors until you get to a case you recognize, and two, you solve in a specific pattern. You'll start by solving the ends. There's blue and green, and if you have blue opposite blue, then you can just rotate the bottom once and then rotate the side once, and now you have blue and green, the ends solved. Then you can solve the center by turning the side, then turning the center, then by turning the side again, and then when you turn the center, it'll solve it. Probably the hardest case on the whole cube is when you get the C, where one piece just needs to be flipped around. To solve this, hold the C with the mouth facing to the right, and you'll want to turn the right side, then the top, then the right side, then the top, then the right side, then the top, and that'll solve it. Also, if you have something like this, where the two sides are the same, then you can just turn the side once and it'll get to the C. It doesn't matter if the C is on the white or on the yellow, just so long as the mouth is facing to the right. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is how you solve the 1x2x3. Like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my channel where we upload a new video every week with tutorials, tips, and other great videos. Have a great day and see you on the next video.